Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit transparent videos on Wix Studio. Transparent videos are a fantastic way to add dynamic, professional-looking animations to your website without blocking the background content, making your site feel more modern and engaging. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, locate and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website to proceed to your website management area. Now you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. This is an important step because you want to make sure that this is the correct website where you intend to add your transparent videos. Take a moment to verify that you're working with the right site, especially if you manage multiple websites under your account. Once you've confirmed you're on the correct website, locate the Edit Site button. You'll find this button on the top part of your screen, typically beside a pen icon. Click on it to open the editor. This button is your gateway to making all the visual and structural changes to your website. You will now be directed to the Wix Studio website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens. Start by locating the Add Element button and click on it. The element menu will expand, revealing a comprehensive list of all the elements you can use for your Wix website. From this list of elements, look for the option labeled Decorative and click on it. This section contains special visual elements designed to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your site. Under the Decorative section, you'll see a transparent video option. Click on it and you'll be presented with several sample transparent videos right away. If none of these initial samples catch your eye, click on the More Transparent Videos link. A dashboard will open up, giving you access to a much larger library. From the video's dashboard, scroll down until you find something that suits your theme or website design. Once you've found the perfect video, click on it and then click Add to Page on the bottom right part of the dashboard. The video will now appear on your website canvas. Once the transparent video is added, look at the right side panel. This is where you can edit and customize your transparent video to fit your exact needs. Under the Design section, you can adjust the size of this video, ensuring it fits perfectly within your layout. Check on the responsive behavior by clicking on the drop-down menu. This setting determines how your video will adapt to different screen sizes, which is crucial for maintaining a polished look on mobile devices. Next, check on the design options and select from the cover image if you want to set a static image to display before the video plays. Finally, adjust the position of your transparent video under the Position section, allowing you to place it precisely where you want it on the page. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a transparent video on Wix Studio, giving your website a sleek, professional touch. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.